Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to use the scanner class to read a text file line by line and print on the console. This is the text file data.txt and we have 5 lines here. So we are going to read the text file using the scanner class and print the data line by line. Scanner class is present into java.util package, and scanner class is a simple text scanner which can parse primitive types and strings using the regular expression. To use the scanner class, we need to create the object of scanner class and use the next line method to read the data. So this is the string for storing the file name, and next we have to create the object of file. Then we need to instantiate the scanner class. Scanner class is taking the file object as a parameter. We are going to use the while loop to see if there is a next line, and if there is a next line, then it is going to read the next line using the next line function. So next line function is returning the line, and we are using the system.out.println to print the line. To run this example, we can right click and run. So it is printed all the lines here. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials.